Same one. The gopis are crying out. So Krishna is crying out like a gopi. So whether you're a male in a male form or a female form, we must learn to cry out like a gopi. And we must become mad with attraction for Krishna. Nam, Rup, Guna, and Lila. Seeing your face encircled by locks of curling hair, your cheeks beautified by earrings. We have the same darshan whenever we look at Thakurji, our personal Thakurji, or the famous Saptadevalaya of Vrindavan. We take darshan of Radharaman or Radhasham or Banki Bihari. And we see the Makar Kundala dancing as beautiful, glossy, chikana, blackish, cloud-like cheeks. And we see his, sometimes, and it's different murtis, they have some hair coming. And we look at his face, and different devotees experience the face of Krishna in different ways. Oh, he's glancing at me. Oh, he's smiling at me. No, he's not looking at you. He's looking at me. Three people are taking darshan of the same Krishna, and they're having different experience. And even they take pictures. This is quite remarkable. Oh, this Thakurji, this Archamurti, the Thakurji in the mandir is only stone or ashtadhatu or metal. Yes, if you have a stone-like heart and a stone-like mind, then everything is only dhatu. Everything is only elements. And everything you do is elemental and bhaksi and linear. But in transcendence, everything is omnipresent, sarvagata, and goes omnidirection, all kinds of directions. So for one who has a soft heart, you can see. You take many pictures of the same Thakurji. This one he's smiling, this one he's joking, this one he's frowning, this one he's biting his lip. You can see all these things in the pictures of the Thakurji. And those that live with those Thakurjis and regularly photograph them, they will even show you a selection. Here's the loving moods of my dearest. Like a man or a woman, a husband or wife. Sometimes they have so many different faces. The sad face, the happy face, the frustrated face, the angry face, the anxious face, the worried face. And we're just earth, water, fire, air, and ether. What to speak of the Satchidananda Archa Vigraha. Satchidananda. So Krishna is playful, he's mischievous, playful, and beautiful.